All right, it is that time of the week again. Apple just dropped all of their main system updates if you are a beta user in the form of iOS, watchOS, visionOS, macOS, the suite of them. They are all out and available. We did just drop our video on iOS 18.4 beta 3. Make sure to give that a check. But for now, back to this one, and we are here to talk about watchOS 11.4 beta 3. And unfortunately, if you follow the channel, it's very hard to make these videos for you guys right now because watchOS has become so stagnant as far as new features and consistency goes. But here we go, we're going to try. We'll make this one as short as possible. I do just have to say, so far so good. Jumping around in the UI, everything has been pretty fluent and quick as you would hope and anticipate. Keep in mind, this beta did just finish updating, but we're still moving right along as you would hope. With beta 2, we did experience some anomalies with battery life being very inconsistent on some days. On our Apple Watch Ultra 2, you should be getting a solid day and a half to 2 days of usage, but unfortunately we were not, I should say. It was very intermittent. Some days we'd get great battery life, the next day we might not, with even less notifications. So who knows what's really going on with that, but hopefully that has been fixed here in beta 3. Before we deep dive back into the watch, and I'm going to try to make this as short as possible since we already know we're not anticipating any new features here really, let's take a look at the software version. And for now, watchOS 11.4, you can see we do have an F build with a full build number of 22T5234F. So this is a good improvement from the prior beta. We are on our way back to the beginning of the alphabet, which if you're new to the channel, the number, or I should say the letter at the end here, signifies how close we are to a public release. A builds, B builds. That normally means that the actual public release is imminent. We should receive an RC candidate in the near future. But right now, we are still ways away from that. And that's okay, considering this should not be released until April. Now, having said that, it's the 10th of March. We should be receiving at least one more beta around St. Patrick's Day, which is next week in the US, possibly another one on the 24th, or the RC, with full release being around the 7th of April. It's going to be very interesting. I'm pretty sure we'll see another 2 betas at least before the public release, especially considering we might not get that full release until even the 14th. All Apple said was it will be early April, and technically they can consider the 14th still early April. If you jump back around, unfortunately, still too, in the app, when we talk about things they could improve on for low-hanging fruit, Double Tap is one of those we've been talking about for a while now, and it is still showing no sense of growth. It's, again, almost like Apple has forgotten about this feature. It simply does the same things it has since it's been introduced. So, yeah, just disappointing nonetheless. Mainly, as you're going to want to be aware of, no new watch faces. Battery life hopefully will be improved, and for the most part, it was okay on beta 2, so I have pretty good confidence in beta 3. Definitely beta 4 should improve even more so on top of that. Obvious to say, but just wanted to make you guys aware of that. Now, if you're actually using your watch for recording sleep, recording fitness, and all of that stuff, I can say that it was a little glitchy in beta 2. Hopefully that has improved here as far as when you got a notification and you had a workout loaded, it would sometimes glitch. We did also have issues in beta 1 that seemed mostly resolved in beta 2, but not fully, where once you got a notification on your watch or on your iPhone, they would not be in sync. You would get one a few seconds before the other. Right now, I would get it on my Apple Watch after I got it on my iPhone by probably about 5 seconds, so not ideal there, but I just wanted to make that known. Aside from that, like I said, guys, I'll keep this video short. There's nothing new we can find here. Looks like all under the hood improvements. Let us know your comments down below as far as what you think is going on with watchOS 11. Are they saving everything big for June and WWDC for watchOS 12? God, I hope so, but it's yet to be seen. Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.